I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Good Riddance on acoustic guitar. First, let's get started with the essential chords. You'll need G, C, D, and M. These are fundamental open chords, perfect for beginners. Focus on clean fretting and smooth transitions between each chord. We'll also cover a basic strumming pattern that will get you playing the main verse in no time. Let's dive in and make some music. Now let's refine your strumming and rhythm. The main pattern for Good Riddance is a simple down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear. Pay attention to the accents, giving a little more emphasis to the downstrokes. A consistent tempo is key to making the song sound right. Try using a metronome to keep your timing precise and steady as you play through the chord progressions. Understanding the song structure will help you play it seamlessly. Good Riddance primarily follows a verse-chorus format with a distinct bridge section. The bridge introduces a slightly different chord progression, so give that extra attention. For the iconic intro, try a simple finger-picking pattern on the G and C chords. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your playing and confidence with this song. To elevate your performance, consider some advanced techniques. Experiment with varying your strumming dynamics. Play softer in the verses and louder in the choruses to add emotional depth. You can also try using a capo at the second fret to achieve a brighter, more ringing tone, which many find appealing for this song. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it. Also, for some great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.